If you're thinking about joining the Army, here's a simple guide to help you through the process. 1. Research start by learning about the different branches of the Army and the roles they offer. Each branch has its own focus and specialties, so find the one that matches your interests and skills. 2. Meet the requirements. Make sure you meet the basic requirements for enlistment. This usually includes age limits, educational qualifications, and physical fitness standards. Check the specific criteria for the branch you're interested in. 3. Take the ASVAB. The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, ASVAB, is a test that measures your abilities and helps determine which roles you are suited for. It's an important step in the enlistment process. 4. Speak with a recruiter. Contact a recruiter to discuss your options. They can provide detailed information about the enlistment process, answer your questions, and guide you through the steps. 5. Complete the application. Fill out the necessary paperwork and submit required documents, such as identification and educational certificates. This paperwork is crucial for processing your enlistment. 6. Pass the medical exam. You'll need to undergo a physical examination to ensure you meet the health standards required for military service. This exam checks your overall health and fitness. 7. Attend basic training. Once accepted, you'll need to complete basic training. This is where you'll learn essential military skills and prepare for your role in the Army. It's a crucial part of becoming a soldier. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to start your journey in the Army and embark on a fulfilling military career.